Hello and welcome back. So first of all we need to download the VS Code. So visit the website code.visualstudio.com and download the VS Code. If you're on Mac, then choose the other option. So after installing the VS Code, it will look like this. I create a HTML folder on my desktop. So open this folder, open my HTML folder. So you need to choose file, then click on open folder. After that, HTML that I create folder. Okay, after so our open is folder is open now. So create a file index.html. Here we write all our code. Before start anything, click on the extension and install some instruction like HTML boilerplate. Install this one, so you don't need to write the boilerplate code. Okay, and another one is live server. So click on this one and install. So when you save your code, it will reload your web page. You don't need to reload the page all the time. It will automatically reload your page when you save the code. Another one is prettier. So yeah, this one. So install the prettier code extension. When you save the code, it will structure your code in a clean way. Okay, so now shift plus exclamation and hit enter. So your boilerplate is written. Write your title, HTML, website, h1 tag for heading, hello HTML. Now right click, Control S and right click and open with live server. So your web page is open now. So when you type something and Control S, it will automatically reload your web page. You don't need to reload this page, okay? It will automatically reload for you. Hello, Control S, and that's it. Yeah, I think that's it for this video.